what you need to know and expect as Nnamdi Kanu go back to court for his final verdict. What else? What else do we need to know? Or what else do we need to expect aside from Nnamdi Kanu's freedom? You see, there is one thing that the court will do that will jeopardize the success of that very day. And I pray the court don't do that. You see, Justice Binta Niako should know that she is a judge, and as a judge, her reputation is very much at stake, and so should not give her judgment outside what has already been collated from day one when the very trial began. She should base her judgment on facts that has been collated within the process of all the trials that has occurred. Let's check the content. This is morning news. Finally, the court will be sitting on the 18th of May to finalize Nnamdi Kanu's final verdict, which the court is expected to pass a final verdict based on all that has been collated and concluded on Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Justice Binta Niako of Abuja High Court has spoken, saying that the trial of that very day will definitely hold, and nothing is going to jeopardize that very date. He pleads to the DSS to keep as promised and make sure Nnamdi Kanu is brought to court following the court time and decision. Security that will man the court premises are already on ground, and the number of persons that will be allowed into the court has also been determined. These are what should be expected on that very day. Speaking is the Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, who definitely will be facing trial after Nnamdi Kanu's bail. President Buhari, on the other hand, has agreed to abide with the court's decision, irrespective of what the court may have decided to be the final verdict of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. He ended. That is what should happen. That's what should happen, and that is what Mr. President should allow to happen. You see, Mr. President should know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the only one that is there. He is not the only person there. Some other persons are also there. And as these other persons are there, they will also be taking note of all that will be happening, be present or far. Do you understand? So let us not behave like people who doesn't know what is happening, but rather always behave like people who knows what is happening. Let the Nigerian government protect their shame, because Nigeria is already shameful. The Nigerian law has been bastardized, has been insulted to the extent that even the international observers has tagged it to be as a country with a law but behave like a country with no law. That was what they said during Uzodima's gubernatorial judgment, where Uzodima pleaded not guilty and also was given the power to take over the state as the governor in charge of Imo State, because the observers knew it that the judgment was not properly passed So they came up with this statement that Nigeria is a country with a law, but built like a country with no law. That's it. So is that not shameful? It is. To an extent, it is. So, my dear people in the house, we must be realistic in this matter, because all eyes will definitely be on that very day. If possible, I know that international observers will also be on ground on that very day to witness the whole scenario. Okay, let me hear from you from the outside to know what your take and your opinion on this very issue may be. Don't forget, your comments are still very, very, very important. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.